Maganda kapag may pimples ka lang. Pag may pimples ka.
Kahit may pimples ako, maganda pa rin ako. Ano pa? Alam. Why are you so sweet?
Because I love you so much. You don't want to miss another mom. And the only mom I have.
Wala. You don't want anyone else? Thank you. Love you so much.
That's the best brother and you did.
I'm the best mom.
Yes.
And Bulog is the best brother.
Because he's so cute. He's a cutie pie. And apat na siya.
And Daddy is?
The best dad. Even when he assails me, I get angry. Tapos, if I get angry, I need to, ganito, and smell the inhaler so that I cannot get angry na.
Oh, you will feel relaxed na lang.
Tapos, I will do this.
Ano yun? Parang mag-yoga?